Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Logitech Rally Bar for video conferencing and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this Rally Bar is not connecting to the internet or not connecting to Wi-Fi, or if it's not syncing with your devices, it seems to be not responding. And also if you've tried to do the reset but it gets stuck in it from the menu and everything like that, we can force it to do it via the buttons. You're going to need to set everything up again because it's all going to be wiped to its factory default settings. That's the second reason you might want to do this if you're trying to set this up new. You can just kind of force it to reset to the way it was when it came out of the box. So first thing we need to do is turn it off. So what we're going to do is you're going to find the power button and you're going to press and hold it, and you'll see a countdown and it'll go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then once you do that, if you continue to hold it for only 3 seconds, it will reboot. So we're not going to do that. We're going to continue to hold it for 10 seconds. And that will force the Rally Bar to shut down. So once the Rally Bar is shut down, then we can come in and on this reset button right here, we're going to press and hold the reset button. And then we're going to press and hold the reset button, and then just press and release the power button to turn it on. All the while we're continuing to hold the reset button for 15 more seconds of holding the reset button, at which point you can also release the reset button and the entire unit will reset to its factory default settings.